Is it true that someone said coffee? What's up everybody, I am the OG office guy. My name is Joe Fieser and I have been in the office products industry for 36 years. Before we jump into the content, I need to take care of a little business. If you are new to the OG channel, please consider clicking the subscribe button below. Also, if you would like to receive notifications, click on the bell, and if you enjoy the content, please hit the like button to help this channel grow. Now let's jump into the content. What are the advantages of having coffee at the office? Coffee is a low-cost approach to show your staff that they are valued on a daily basis. Productivity improvements. Since coffee is a stimulant, it will help keep you more alert and is the perfect way to keep the office efficient, focused, and productive. Offices with more breaks are healthier. Getting up from your desk and going for a 5-minute coffee break is a great way to break up the day and boost productivity. Enhance employee morale. Many people drink coffee for both the taste and effects. Your employees will not only feel valued, but overall better by providing great coffee. Increase office camaraderie. A coffee machine in the break room will encourage workers to get up from their desks and interact with one another. People will not leave the office if they have coffee. By reducing wasted time throughout the day, your staff will be more productive and focused. Open office environment. To open your office up, encourage people to grab a cup of coffee and get to know each other and talk about their different functions within the business. A small investment can make a big difference. Having coffee in your office is almost non-negotiable at this point. When returning to the office, consider these reasons to either add or upgrade your coffee program within the office. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, leave me a comment below if you have an awesome coffee program at your workplace or if your program needs help. I am the OG office guy. Thank you for watching.